Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds. But first, make sure you download the Run Run Deals app and also follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for the latest deals. Now let me show you what I was able to find this week. All right, you guys, I want you to know that I am an elementary school teacher. And with elementary school, you need something that brightens up the kids' days or maybe even make them feel like they're gonna have a fun day. So I was able to find this on Run Run Deals. Check this out right here. Pretty cool. As you can see, it's a minion, but it's a minion starry sky projecting light. Okay, so usually we don't like to have all the bright lights while they're learning, so we might cut on a lamp or two. This right here could be your lamp for your classroom. Let's check it out. All right, you all, this is for my fellow teachers. I love different types of little fun characters or decoration in my room. This right here is one that you should buy. This right here is the cool looking minion, and it is a laser light, so it's going to change how the classroom looks with different stars around the room. I want you to check it out. So I already have it plugged in. All I need to do is press this button for 3 seconds and it's going to pop right on. As you can see, these beautiful colors are coming right on out. You can also use this at your house if you do not have a classroom of your own as a night light. Pretty cool. I love that it comes with this cool remote, so I can be on the other side of the room and able to turn it on and off. It also comes with batteries. Usually they do not pack the batteries, so I'm glad there's batteries. I don't have to go to the store to go get some. They're right in the package, which is cool. I want you to check it out. So I am going to dim the lights so you can see how beautiful it is. All right, as you can see, it is shining bright. It's not as dark as it could be, but as you can still see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and move it around, and it's changing colors as I'm moving it. So I can move it up, I can move it lower, down, I can move it to the side, I can turn it this way. Look at me. Make sure you're not looking directly at the laser. We don't want you to mess up your eyes. Check it out on the wall. This is beautiful. And I know my children at school, and also if you have kids, you know your kids will love this in their bedroom too. With that being said, why wouldn't you get this great? Run Run Deals have deals on deals on deals. With that being said, make sure you're downloading their app and also follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Why wouldn't you do it?